if you are in Vegas on September 15th to check out G versus Nello, the rematch, make sure you also check out the BOX Fan Expo. It'll be the best ticket you buy all weekend. You'll get to meet many current and former boxers, guys like Thomas Hearns, Fernando Vargas, Andre Ward, Badu Jack, Sean Porter, James Toney, Mia St. John, David Benavidez, Jose Benavidez, Shannon Briggs, Abner Mares, Jesse Vargas, Errol Spence Jr., Mikey Garcia, Kevin Kelly. The list goes on. Eric Morales, Yoel Casamayor, Floyd Mayweather Jr., the WBC, the WBA, Adidas, Winky Wright, Zab Judah, Marcos Maidana, Berman Stavern, Leo Santa Cruz, Marco Antonio Barrera, Iran Barkley, Roberto Duran, Sergio Martinez, Terry Norris, Felix Trinidad, Evander Holyfield, Big George Foreman, Austin Trout, Timothy Bradley Jr., Paul Williams, Mike McCallum, Brandon Rios, Al Bernstein, Daniel Jacobs, Ruslan Provodnikov, Yuriorkis Gamboa, Jean Pascal, Amir Khan, Erislandy Lara, Riddick Bowe, Roy Jones Jr., The Kronk Jim, Peter Quillen, Antonio Tarver, Shane Mosley, Paulie Malignaggi, Nonito Donaire, Robert Guerrero, Ernie Shavers, A.B., Antonio Margarito, Mike Tyson, Leon Spinks, and many more. Trust me, it'll be the best ticket you purchase. Now, about 85% of those names I read have confirmed. There are some out there who may or may not show, to be honest. But historically, if you get an invite at some point during the day, you show up, and fans line up to take pictures, get autographs, talk with the boxers, the whole nine. Now, I'll be there, and I'll try to do a few things for you guys while I'm there. Alright? I'm not going to make any promises. What I'm going to try to do, since I know Errol Spence Jr. will be there, and I know Mikey Garcia will be there, I'm going to try to get those two guys to do a mock stare down. And if I get that, other cameras might be there, and they might post it before me, but trust me. Remember where you heard it first. It'll be my idea, and I'll make sure to get it, because nobody else is going to be thinking about it unless they listen to this video and steal my idea, which has been known to happen on occasion. I'm going to try to get the stare down. It's usually bananas in there, so I might not be able to get it. But what I will do is get the boxers to stare down some fans. Those are funny. And I'm gonna leave a video right after this. You'll see it, a couple stare downs in the videos from what was it, a year ago or 2 years ago? I can't remember. I think it was was it a year ago? It might have been a year and a half ago. That's what it was. When Canelo took on Jr. I got a lot of predictions. I got some stare downs. So check this video out right after I finish talking in a second. So I'll try to get a lot of predictions from boxers on who they think will win. You know, are they going to pick G? Are they going to pick Nello? Now, I won't have a lot of time between the expo and the rematch, so I may post this video a day or two after the fight, just to summarize the entire weekend. But I'll try to get you guys some good stuff for sure. Or I may put a couple of the just load a couple of the files just to put something out there, and then do like a whole collage like I did a couple years ago. And then the weigh-in. I might get some stuff from the weigh-in, you know, if I go to it. Sometimes, me being an East Coast guy, sometimes time gets the best of you and you forget you're on the West Coast, and so the start times and all that other jazz, you know how that goes. 3-hour difference. Went to the Mayweather Jr. versus Robert Guerrero fight a few years ago, and kind of lounging in my room, and then I'm looking at the clock and I'm like, oh man, the fights have already started. You know, you're used to 9 o'clock start, and then it's actually 6 o'clock on the East Coast, but then the non-televised card started much earlier, so we'll see how much I can get when we're out there. So remember, check it out, the BOX Fan Expo. Runs from about, I believe it's like 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, September 15th. It'll be the best ticket you purchase all weekend. Anyway, check out some of the BOX Fan Expo from about 1.5 years ago. Check it out.
Canelo or Jr.?
Take a picture or video?
Video.
Video. What's that?
Canelo or Jr.? Who you got?
Canelo.
Canelo? All right, thank you, champ. You got Canelo or Jr.?
It's hard fight. I don't know. I'm not telling about this. It's hard fight.
Okay.
It's hard fight.
All right.
Great fight.
Great fight. All right, thank you. All right.
No, we got it.
Canelo or Jr.?
Great fight. It's gonna be a great fight.
All right. All right. Hey.
First half, more business. Last half, attack.
Come on. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere.
Shit happens, man. Yeah, man.
Hey, Canelo or Jr.? Canelo or Jr.?
I'll take Canelo.
Canelo? All right. Chris, Canelo or Jr.? Chris, Canelo?
I'll take Junior.
Oh, he takes Jr.
Ortiz or what? Waiting for that Ortiz fight.
It's not gonna happen, man. We signed a contract. He didn't sign it.
Canelo or Jr.?
I got Chavez.
Chavez, yeah. Okay. Canelo or Jr.?
Hey, I want Junior.
Jr. That's Ruben Guerrero.
Looking good, man.
Picking Jr. Canelo or Jr.? Canelo or Jr.? Canelo? All right. E.J. Smith going with Canelo. Berman to Vern. Canelo or Jr.? Canelo or Jr., Berman? Canelo or Jr.? Danny, Canelo or Jr.?
Man, I think it's going to be a good fight. However you look at it, both guys coming forward to fight, so we'll see.
Okay. All right. Canelo or Jr.? Canelo or Jr.?
Canelo.
Okay.
12 round. Unanimous.
All right. FightJournal.com. You heard it. Sean Porter likes Canelo. I'm doing video. Do your selfie. I'm doing video. Go ahead. Don't laugh. Don't blink. Don't laugh. Stare him down. TheFightJournal.com. We got Sean Porter staring a fan down. And she looks serious. FightJournal.com. Here with the Flushing Class. Kevin Kelly. What's going on, sir?
What's going on? Doing good? And glad to be here. Look at how crazy this place is.
All right, I'm going to jump straight to it. Canelo or Jr.?
I think Chavez can get him by knockout if he stays disciplined. He's taller, longer, catch Canelo reaching in. I think Canelo wins the decision though, because over a period of time, he's gonna try to wear down Chavez. It's an ego fight. It's who got a bigger ego. As long as Chavez don't lean in like his dad used to, lean in and give it to him, he has a huge opportunity to win this fight. He's got to box smart. Okay, this fight here, he got a box. But I see probably Canelo winning by decision.
Okay, now, I can't help but notice a machine in the background. What's going on?
Oh, the strike back system. Oh, let me introduce the world to the only machine in the world that strikes back. Like Bruce Lee said in a movie. He said, and that don't hit back. That does. So here's the strike back system. As you can see, we're at the expo. I'm out here to premiere it with Frank Petrarca and his son Steve right there. Okay, we are here to take boxing to another level. Right here, the machines are MMA machines as well as the boxing machine. These are the legs. Here's the head. We're still tweaking it though. Here it comes back. And the machine rotates.
Strikes back.
Rotates, it can hit you too. We don't have it on rotate right now. We're trying to keep it simple for the fans out here so they don't get smacked up real quick or get discouraged. So this machine does good. Watch out.
Still got it.
Gotta get it. The machine is good. Here's the body. It's got a massive foam in the middle. Okay? It's got a light, it's lit up and everything. Now that machine's the monster. So that's the monster. So you come and get it soon. Anybody with a gym, you can rent it. Here comes our address and call right there. Call Frank on the machine. He's building them, letting them out to the gym. All right, you contact us. There's the information.
Yes, sir. And I'll put that information at the bottom of this video. Thank you. Thank you. And great to see you. Still looking good. Fans, the strike back machine. Check it out. Casamayor staring down a fan. Who's gonna blink? Who's gonna blink? The Casamayor still have it. Who's gonna blink at the stare down? Who's gonna blink? TheFightJournal.com, baby. Yes, sir. Don't take your eyes off of him. Don't take your eyes off. Casamayor don't have it anymore.
What kind of satisfaction did you get from being able to do that? Watching the set. I think that you are one of the best in the business, and I would be honored to be working next to you at some point. It'd be amazing, and I've seen you for many, many years. I still watching you, and I admire what you do.
Thank you, Jesse, and you're doing a great job at Community Starkers. Thank you. Jesse Vargas, ladies and gentlemen. A great ambassador for the sport. Canelo or Jr.? Who you got, Canelo or Jr. tonight?
I got myself. I'm not. Those are younger fighters. I'm really educated on them guys right now. I would say Canelo.
Canelo? Okay. Thank you, champ. TheFightJournal.com here with the great Barkley. Sir, how you doing today?
I'm doing fine, my brother. How you doing?
All right, we want to get your prediction. Saul Canelo Alvarez, Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. Who you got?
Well, you know something? I like both of the guys, but I gotta go with Chavez.
Okay, really? All right.
I mean, I'm sorry. I gotta go with Canelo.
Canelo, okay. Okay.
Canelo Alvarez, I gotta go with him because you know the only reason why I go like that because he came a long way. You know what I'm saying? When he used to fight, he used to just go out there and knock everybody out. You know what I'm saying? But when he got to Floyd Mayweather, Floyd schooled him how to box and how to, you know, get it shifty. So he picked up a little craft of the boxing and started using his jab. Instead of just walking into people and knocking them out, he learned how to use his jab and everything. So Floyd Mayweather schooled him to the game. And now he's Canelo Alvarez. He don't walk in. He takes his time and he picks his punches down. But I would beat Canelo. I would think Canelo and me would be a great fight. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I would love to fight Canelo. He's a great guy. He's a great champion. But I'm a better champion.
All right. So how would that play out? Knockout?
How would that play out? Knockout. Canelo could bring all of Mexico back here and we could do something. I'll go lose the weight, come down to middleweight. Look, I'm middleweight almost. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking good now.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
I can make the weight. Just give me a shot. Just give me a shot. Come on. You know what I'm saying? You the pride of all of Mexico. I'm the pride of the South Bronx.
Yes,
real deal South Bronx.
Now, one thing, you shared a story about your sister, man. Can you share it with me again about your sister?
Let me tell you something, man. My sister, she was the first woman boxer besides another lady named Jackie Tonawanda that used to call herself Female Ali. These was the only two women in the 70s and 80s that would fight. You know what I'm saying? Jackie Tonawanda was fighting. Then my sister beat her up in a real fist fight in the gym that we trained in, and ran her out the gym and told her, "You don't know me, and you a lady and I'm a lady. What you gonna tell me I can't change in this dressing room for? You gotta be out of your mind." My sister whipped her button and she ran out the gym. We never seen her no more, you know? But my sister made me fight these gang members, and when I fought him, I took over the gang. And then my homie was in the gang, so he was like, "Yo, you the warlord of the young Spade, the young black Spade." So, you know, that was the history of my sister.
All right, FightJournal.com. Thank you, sir, for your time. We appreciate you.
Thank you.